a bit of off-cut timber here into something for the sister's wedding. This is going to be like, I think, the table plan. There we go, guys. I got a bit of a A-frame knocked up. The board, it's actually already pretty sturdy. Just put drywall screws in and a couple of brass screws. Brass screws would be a bit stronger, as this is going to hold a lot of the weight. Cast out kind of these books and sort of look like that in the end. I might do a wee case on a few of these. Some of these might come in handy. Oh, I think I have some trims there for the border. Now I need to get that and throw the junk in the way. Moulded. Again, don't really think it needs a case because the latex is quite thick. So the smaller ones might be alright. Guys, like I say, that's the book. This will be the trim. It's tidy enough wee trim for the edge. And here's one of the books cast out. Okay guys, that's two more lumped in. Oh, there we are guys. First wee bit started. Just looking for some brass screws to finish it off. But yeah, that's the first piece, and I've got some wee trims to go around the edge. As I was saying there, I got to go ahead, keep it rustic. So it kind of gives me, I don't need to cut that wee bit off, but it kind of gives me play here. I'll make good, obviously, the screw holes, but it gives me play to leave some damage. And just marked out a grid system here, so each square represents a book. But the mate's looking good. I think after do that, get the end books all on, it'll be tidying up these things here, these bits of rope. Starting to dress up nicely. Right, so guys, another day at it. Lovely morning. Got all the books made, a couple more there. Cast out a couple of other wee things I might dress the legs with. There's actually two there. And some wee flowers. Again, might just help make them look a wee bit better. Starting to look pretty good. So now it's ready to go in. That's them wee bits hidden anyway. Somewhat hidden, you can still sort of see it from the side. But I'm not too worried about it. I think once we paint, we'll make sure and try and paint the end bits as well. But yeah, looks a bit more decorative there. And now we've got the whole thing sort of started. I think we're getting somewhere now. Guys, I went for the flowers, just covered a bit more of the leg. Same there, but I will probably just tidy up around the edges a wee bit. Just fluff it in, a wee bit of plaster. Brought a wee bit of plaster over a couple of bowls, and I'll just keep mixing that bowl. And I'll start making good on these screw holes. And for wee tiny bits, I like to just do wee tiny bits mixed. So that'll be plenty there. Probably nearly finish it, but I'll let that soak. And then I'll wet down, scrape and wet down whatever I need to do there while that's soaking. And I'll just use off that and we'll mix it up, guys. I've already wet down all the screw holes I'm going to make good here. Again, not a big deal, guys, really. It's just making good. You're just following what's there. So I'll fly around these tops here first. Just really want to make sure you poke them in well. I've found over the years anyway. Hey guys, getting dark now, but as you can see, more or less all made good. Just a wee quick tidy up along this bottom, just polish it in a wee bit more. So a wee tiny bit of a coat on, just flick around the edges anyway. Just waiting on a call for delivery of stuff. But as you can see, the paint's worked well on the top piece. I'll give them a wee bit of a coat. I think I'm going to try and coat around the edges here. So I need some rubber gloves when I'm doing that. There we go, guys. I'll coat it up. I think that'll do it for that for now. It's not fully dry at the edges, but I'm going to start dressing up as much as I can here. I don't know if I have enough fake grass to actually do them all, but I'm going to start dressing that up and I'll give you a wee look when I get this all attached on. So guys, first wee bit of dressing done. So I do think I'm possibly going to run out of this grass, because out of the full I have 2 of these and that's all I have left. So sort of run out of grass. Sounds a bit weird, but yeah. So here we are. I actually do have a wee strip just to finish the bottom bits there. And then what I was thinking is, my sister just went and ordered more of this stuff too, so I'm going to have to ask her to cancel that. But I'm thinking of putting a wee piece up along that top edge, like so, just to help dress that top edge and make it look a wee bit nicer. So guys, this is the end result. Got a wee trim on the top, patch them wee bits up like I said. Everything's made good and sprayed. Obviously could have done it all a wee bit neater, but I'm kind of trying to keep it a bit rustic. Again, kind of nice sharing this kind of work with yous, because obviously I've done wee bits and pieces like this before on films, but I cannot share that. But here we are, a wee bit of a wedding prop for the dinner tables. You can be the judge. Most importantly, the judge is my sister, and she seems to like it on pictures anyway. But yeah, here we are guys. What do you think? Wee bit of trim along the top. I think it helps. But yeah, like I said, you be the judge guys. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you are planning on making anything like this and you want me to share any tips or any of the links or whatever, no problem, not a problem.
What we do in life echoes in eternity.
Like and subscribe to Plastering.